I got my bucket from Walmart. Take a 1/2 by a 24-inch galvanized pipe from your local home improvement store. With liquid nails and the pipe base, I glued it to the interior base and allowed plenty of time to dry. Attach the 1/2 pipe base that was glued. Fill with ice and beverages. Add napkins and other party essentials for this easy DIY party station.
Today we're working with pool noodles. First, you want to cut the pool noodle in half to slit them right down the center. And then we're going to fold our noodle open. So I'm going to cut this all the way through, and then I'm going to turn these upside down. So I'm going to put my glue. This is cool melt, so it's not super, super hot. And then you're going to place that. Okay, so now I'm attaching the second piece, and we will insert our third piece. Okay, our glue is dry. So now I'm going to trim off the ends. We are now going to put a tray on here, and we're going to decorate it. And we're going to slice up a lemon and add that to our water.
We're going to head to the hardware store and grab some PVC pipe and fittings. We're going to need 4 10-foot links. Take the first one and you're going to cut 11 of those 3-foot pieces, and then you're going to cut 2 pieces at 15.5 inches. Next, you're going to have a little bit of leftover, so you'll mark it on the 3, 6, and 9-inch mark, and that's going to give you 4 equal pieces, 8 of those. Now we're going to lay it out. What you're going to do is start at one end and go ahead and insert the 3-foot piece into one of those corner pieces. Then you grab one of those 3-inch pieces that we had, and you're going to start inserting the T's. Once you get all the pieces together, give it a good tight fitting just like that. Watch how it sinks in. As you see here, this is the top of our rack. Next, we got to put in the legs to the rack. We are going to use 4 of the 3-foot pieces that we have. Go ahead and put one of the corner pieces in. Each of those legs, and remember those 2 15.5-inch pieces we had? They will fit perfectly right in the ends there and hold the legs together. I like to give it a paint just to make sure it matches. This rack is so versatile. Look at that. You can use it when you're cleaning out your car, or you can use it on the side of the pool to keep your pool towels dry.
Cut 2-inch sections of our pool noodle. We're going to have 1 in the center and 6 around the outside. And we're going to place it on the top. You want to cut all the way around. Cut that small piece out of my noodle, and then your candle will fit in there just like this. Now I'm going to connect them. I'm using a hot glue gun, but it is on a low temperature. I have a big rubber band in my hand, and I'm going to put that around here and let this dry. Once it's dark, we will turn our candles on and float them in the pool.
I dumped the cement powder in, and then it was time to pour in the water. I stirred for about 5 minutes, ensuring that I got all the clumps. You're going to want your mixture to be as smooth as possible. And now it's time to grab your mold. You can use anything like a pizza baking dish that is disposable. Next, you're going to want to pick up your mold and slowly start tilting it from side to side to smooth the top as much as possible. Dry for a little while. I was able to add my mosaic tiles. I waited about 36 hours before removing from the mold. Came out super easily, even easier than I expected. To paint the backside, take the glow-in-the-dark paint. I used 2 coats. I think it looks so great. I love the colors. It all goes so well together. And here's a nighttime view of the other side of the tile with the glow-in-the-dark paint, which I think turned out really cool.